We spoke to over 500 CMA USA aspirants and they all had these two questions in common. Number one, are there any scholarships or financial aid for USCMA aspirants? And number two, how do I register for the USCMA examination? Well, today we are going to answer both of these questions in detail and clear up any of your doubts and set you on the right path towards your CMA USA certification. So let's dig deep into it, guys. So first up, let's tackle the question of scholarships. You may be wondering that is there any financial assistance available for aspiring CMAs? Well, there used to be, I repeat my words, there used to be scholarship opportunities that could have helped you make your CMA journey more affordable. The IMA Institute used to offer a CMA scholarship program which was designed to support the students, the working professionals and even career switchers who were passionate about management accounting and pursue their CMA credentials, but unfortunately guys, this has been discontinued by the IMA Institute. So let's dive right into it. However, I have one more hack over here, and that is the hack of approved learning partners. I am very happy and glad to say, I have immense pride to say that Finplan Edu is a approved learning partner of the IMA Institute, owing to which you people get a discount, though not 100% scholarship, but a discount in your IMA Institute statutory fees. To take for example, if you understand, the normal fees under student membership is 1112 USD plus 18% GST, which you are supposed to pay if you go directly to the IMA Institute. But with Finplan, you get a whooping discount of 445 USD plus GST, and you only have to pay 667 USD plus 18% GST, which comes to around 56,000 rupees in INR terms plus the 18% GST if you consider the exchange rate of 85 rupees per USD, which is going on as of now. On the other hand, guys, if you are not qualifying for student membership, you will come in the professional membership of the IMA Institute, wherein the statutory fees, which usually are 1585 USD plus 18% GST, will come down to 1089.5 USD, which effectively translates to 495.5 USD plus 18% GST ka discount, all thanks to Finplan Edu, which is the approved learning partner of the IMA Institute. So to summarize, guys, you may not get 100% scholarship with Finplan, but because Finplan Edu is the approved learning partner of the IMA Institute, you get 445 USD plus 18% GST discount in your statutory fees of the IMA under the student membership, and you get 495.5 USD plus 18% GST discount in your statutory fees of the IMA Institute in your professional membership. This is the best bargain that you people can get anywhere for your statutory fees of the IMA Institute. So now that you have got the information about how to save some bucks in the IMA registration and the examination fees, let's move on to the second big question that we often get. How do you register for the USCMA examination? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through it all. So step number one is to make an account on the IMA website. To make an account on the IMA website, you first need to determine whether you are eligible for a student membership or a professional membership. If you have to apply under the student membership, you have to upload some additional documents which will signify the fact that you are indeed eligible for a student membership. You can get in touch with the number over here and we people will ultimately assist you whether you are actually eligible for a student membership or not. Step number 2, my friends. Once your account is done on the IMA website, then you need to pay the IMA membership and entrance fee, but via Finplan Edu, wherein we will provide you a specific coupon code which will ensure that you are eligible for that 445 USD discount in the student membership as well as the 495.5 USD discount in the professional membership. Don't worry, friends. In case you need any assistance in either payment of the fees or assistance in the procedure to pay the fees in the foreign currency, we have a specific troubleshooting administrative team ready to help you hands-on. Step number 3, my friends. Here comes the payment of the examination fee. As and how you approach near to the examination window, you will have to pay the examination fee via the same account which you have created on the IMA website. The examination fee has to be paid and only then you will be eligible to select a designated slot within that 2-month exam window wherein you will be appearing for your part 1 or part 2 examination at the designated Prometric test center. Needless to say, my friends, our team is available to assist you for any troubleshooting 24/7. The final step number 4 is to finally appear for the examination and wait patiently for the result which comes to your email and your IMA account 45 days from the end of the month in which you appear for the examination. And that's it, guys. You are now armed with everything you need to either make the account in the IMA website, register for the CMA examination, and anything else as well that you may anyways require. I hope this clears up all your doubts and helps you take the right steps towards becoming a certified management accountant. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you never miss more tips and expert advice on your CMA journey. Drop a comment below whether it's about registration, examination or any other CMA related topic. I am always here to assist you. Share it with someone who may need it, and all the very best, my friends, for your CMA journey. See you in the next video.